Welcome to my channel, Lamine the Ad Guy. I'm Lamine, and today we're going to be talking about big data in advertising. Before we do that, don't forget to like and comment under this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, today's topic is about big data and the role that it plays in digital advertising. So what is big data? Big data is a data set, a large data set of information that is sometimes structured or unstructured. It's basically just a raw data set of information that is collected from users on a daily basis over a period of time, and it can be used to predict and analyze consumer behavior in regards to marketing and advertising. With big data, we're able to make better targeting decisions for the marketer. You're able to hyper-localize your ads better, that it's more relevant to the individual. You get to create messages that are more targeted, and you're able to allocate advertising spend towards audiences that have the potential to be your customers. Big data can provide information on your seasonal peaks, and so you can align your advertising goals towards those peaks to better optimize your budget, your advertising budget, and to better align promotional messaging towards individuals who find your product beneficial. Some of the areas where you can get big data nowadays is from ad networks, of course, like Google and Facebook, who have created a proprietary audience pool that is very developed and very personalized based on their user information. You could also get big data from your website by adding in a CRM or analytics tool that collects information when people browse your website. Or you can get information in the form of a media kit from publishers, such as lifestyle blogs on news networks who have users visiting their website on a daily basis. The thing about publishers, though, is that it is not audited sometimes, and you kind of have to trust their judgment in regards to the data that they provide. Before you place an ad onto publisher's website, it's best if you get a media kit to get a better understanding of their audience landscape, the type of people and users who browse their website on a daily basis, and their interests and hobbies, to see if it best fit with the audience that you're trying to reach based on your insight. That makes better advertising decisions and media planning and buying opportunities. Another reason why big data is so valuable to advertisers is that it helps build a predictive audiences. A lot of ad networks nowadays have so much data that they're able to find similar audiences like Google does, or lookalike audiences like Facebook does, where people who might not be in your specific audience group but have similar preferences could find your advertising message relevant. Big data gives the necessary customization and direction needed to make better decisions. Yes, intuition and experience is still needed in advertising, but big data helps fill out the gaps to better optimize your campaign capabilities. So, if you have not yet, add a tracking tool onto your page, add analytics to your page, add the necessary big data software that could start collecting information on based on your website's traffic. That will help bridge the gap when creating your digital marketing campaigns. Having that information on hand can help you make better decisions in building an audience and understanding your consumers' behavior and predicting future consumer actions. At the end of the day, marketers want to find the best content and information for the user. So yes, advertisers use data, be more analytic, because it will help bridge the gap and fill the gap and give you more confidence in the people that you're trying to reach. Big data gives more confidence in your decisions moving forward, especially if you work in a environment where you're spending clients' money or you're spending your own money. You want to feel confident in your campaign decisions. At the end of the day, big data is research. It's data that you use and you're researching. It's good to gather and collect, and it helps make better decisions and to make better conclusions and assumptions about your audience pool. It gives you insight on how your consumers think and the websites that they visit, and whether or not it's similar to what you have. Big data gives an opportunity for a robust and dynamic way of marketing. It's an understanding and an information guiding way of marketing. So when you're analyzing big data, try to find trends that work well with your overall objective. See what works best and build on that. Look to see what is a winner for your brand. Understand the landing pages that are performing best. Understand the types of clicks that are coming through. See whether or not there are more new users versus old users or returning users. Look at the demographics, of course, the locations, their interests. What information do you get from that? Look at their devices that they're browsing the internet with. See what search engine they use. See what referral link is most popular. Understand the type of traffic that are coming onto your page so you can make better decisions in your digital marketing efforts and your advertising. Go for it. Don't be Don't have your heads in the clouds. Look at the data and make better decisions so that your brand succeeds in a theoretical world and you leave understanding more of your digital landscape. All right. So hopefully I left you with some information that is beneficial with you. That's all I got. Don't forget to like and comment under this video and subscribe to my channel. There's a lot of content coming out and I appreciate the love.